All right, guys, so today we have the teleprompter, portable teleprompter X1 for Neewer. Now this, you can put your camera here, your cellular, make it easy, right, to read something. Now for me, pick it into the side and look like, okay, he's reading, he's looking, like the news reporter, right? But this one is not because it's small and you're going to use your cell phone. It comes with remote control and all the things you need. I'll show you this right now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab. Yes, this makes it easy if you have to read, right? Sometimes, you know, when you read something, you can really see when, if I'm seeing and move it to the side, you can really see I'm trying to read. Now, you used to see people reading it, but people looking at you all the time, like you see in the news reporter. And what is nice, it comes with remote control and everything else, so we're gonna show you this right now. All right, guys, I just put it together for you guys to show you. So this is the teleprompter, the portable version. Now, if we give you a perfect angle view of 45 degrees, you can use your cell phone or you use your regular cameras here. Try to pull it all together. Let me show you how the whole thing works and how I put this together. So let me change the camera so you guys can see. So this is the X1. Now, if you're looking right from the top here, allow you to put a microphone. You can this, I will say this needs to be open obviously this way, but you can change that, or I guess it might to be more portable. We adjusted this from the two sides. So let's imagine here we put the microphone. Now for your phone, you can put in this side or in the bottom. So you got to put that together, and it's pretty simple. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to start that way. I'm going to remove my camera to the side. So we put that there, all the way there. Now it comes with all the brackets and everything. So it comes with two. So we have this one. This is a middle one. Let me get the plastic one, so I put my foam. So if you want to put the foam this way, you mount it here, adjust your foam. Okay. And now that's the way you're going to set up your foam, this way. Now, your next thing is you need to set up for the camera. Here are a few add-ons. So we have to get it as close as possible, not having a big opening. Right, these are all the different add-ons we have right now. So the camera can be set on both sides. So I'm going to remove that right now. Remove that. So if you're looking this way, see, we have this way. Most likely maybe it will be this one. So it depends what you have here. You can edit. The big opening, that will be for your regular camera. I'll show you the next step. We can set up here or here. Now the way you see this one, the tower allow you to bring this all the way down. You can bring it all the way up. You can move it forward or back. So let's put this back. If you see right over here, that's for your cell phone too. So what you can do now is this one here. You put that one right over there. Again, and use this, attach there, and now you can mount your phone this way. Now the other way around, it's either for regular camera or webcam. We're gonna put this forward. I think it's something that way. Now this is my camera, so I have to figure out what we need to use. So we need to figure it out, and I think this one I tried and that one maybe work, but I think this one is much better. So we wanted to cover as much light as possible. So I'm going to put this right in the back. We're going to put it that way, and then we're going to mount this here. So we raise this up. Now the nice thing is here we can adjust it here, right? We can screw this, we can move this forward or back, depends on the type of camera. We have this right over here. We put this forward. Now the camera goes up too, so we align that right there in the hole. So if you look into the device from the back, that's where we see it. If you look at that from the front now, right? You didn't even see the camera. Well, that's what I see, right? Now I'm using my phone here, but I think the idea here is you can get up to 8 inches tablet. But if you have 8 inches tablet, now the view will be much bigger. So you have more text you can fit into the screen. This one you can allow you to extend, right? You can extend this and adjust it, depends what type of phone you have. So you can move this around. It becomes super portable. Comes with those add-ons, and I'll show you if you have a regular camera. And you have instructions and also to clean it in the remote control. Now you have to download the app. It's in the instruction. It comes with this remote control to AAA, where you can change the speed, you can change the size of the fonts, and technically what you have to do is just copy and paste. So you just grab your regular text and just put a title on it and paste it. The only way you can do it. So you paste it there. Now if I press this button, you can change, let me went off now. Yeah, you can change the speed. Depends, you know, if you refresh, you change the speed. You can stop at any time. I can press a button and go all the way to the beginning, or I can go all the way in the back, or go to the next article. So you can put different articles here. If we start from the beginning, let me go from the beginning. This is New York there. So that's the title there. I know it looks all the way around there. But again, when I press, it starts. I guess it's nice if you have a few bullets to put here, so I can have the bullets. Now, if I activate the camera now, right? If I activate the camera, it's just perfect. This is a different quality of camera, but it looks perfect, right? There's nothing there. You see, no, it's just perfect. And I can be reading the text, right? I'm just now reading the text there, and I'm always looking at the camera, so you not figure out if I'm reading the text or not. Or if I have a few bullets there, just to remind me a few things when I'm talking about a product, to make it real simple to use, real nice device. Now if you want to connect now like a regular camera, a mirrorless camera, now the way you have to do that, you have to remove this up, take this out. To remove this we're gonna have to put it back a little bit. You have to remind something, this will not accept lens less than 25 millimeters wide angle. So it has to be 25 and higher. So we set this way, right? We bring this all the way down, right there. Set your camera here, and then you're gonna put your lens through here. So you close this up. There's no light come from the serial from the start, and you close this up, and you have your camera. And that's it. That's the way you do this. Now remember, once again, right? If you have a wide angle lens that is like 18, 12, my other camera is like 18 millimeter, it will not work for this. So it needs to be 25 and higher. But for your cell phone from the side, or if you got a webcam, I think it's perfect. It becomes super portable and small, right? All right. So you saw all the things here, okay? And how to get one of these devices, or this teleprompter, right? It's right below this video, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.